Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Bramley Moor for my weekly update. I'm sorry if you can't hear me much, it's a bit windy. I'm not sure if the mic's going to pick up the audio or not. I'll pick up it as well. So I'm at Bramley Moor and I'm going to little fly around, have a look at the stadium. It's been very windy and rainy today, so I've only been able to come at night. Can't come on Sundays because my kids play football. So unless they're not playing football, I can't come here on a Sunday when everyone wants us to. Looking on site, and as you can see, there's loads of cranes there. I mean, loads of cranes. I think it's the most I've ever seen on that site. But yeah, for those that don't know, I am doing a 30-day challenge right through November. So from the 1st of November to the 30th of November, I am doing a challenge where I'm going to post a video every day. On the 1st of December, I'm going to show what I earned from YouTube right through November, posting a video every day. And this is, you know, weather dependent, but if I can't get the drone up, I will find another way of making videos. But I'm going to make a video every day, and the reason why I'm doing it is I want to help out some grassroots football teams. Don't know which ones yet, but this has been a plan of mine for a while. Since starting this channel, if I can make money, then I'd like to help out some grassroots football teams, and I've got plans going forward of how I want to do that. But I'm going to put YouTube's money where my mouth is and donate all that money to a grassroots football team that I earn right through November. So whether that is enough to afford some kits for a couple of teams or pay some league fees or whatever. Okay, so that's just a quick overview of why I'm doing what I'm doing. So anyway, I'll get round the ground now, and yeah, if you like the channel, again, please subscribe. It's really helping me, and it's going out some grassroots football teams. If we get more subscribers, get more views, I'll earn more money and help the teams out. Okay, so very windy up there, so I'm going to get around this as fast as I can. Okay, I'm not going to do a low fly over the south stand today because it's too windy. So let's keep to the rules that everyone wants, and we'll stay outside the cranes. Well, I'm well outside the cranes, well above the cranes. Right, all the fireworks going off. Yeah, it's a bit dark to even see what's going on down there, but I'll try my best because I know there's a lot of work being going on. I say getting there during daylight hours now, and just with everything going on with work and uni, it's going to be hard. Yeah, but last time I asked about that structure was there, and people have answered it in the droves, telling me that it is a temporary support for the roof truss. Is that right? Some people are saying it's where the screen's going to go and stuff like that. But the main consensus was that it's a temporary support for the roof truss. So I will take your judgment on that. Very busy traffic wise here as well. Right, so let's fly over this part here. Let's get well above the cranes. So this stand is really coming up to size now. As you can see down there, tons of work going on. I apologise if this is not as detailed as my usual videos, guys. It's just it's very windy up there and it's a bit dark, and I wanted to stick to me put a video out daily. So them supports there that you see the back of stand, I believe is what is going to be part of the roof truss. Again, if I'm wrong, please correct me. I look closer than cranes, but I'm not. I'm a very good height. Right, okay, so I'll get around the outside of the south stand. I say I won't do my low flyover because it's too windy. If the gust of wind catches the drone's gone, and that'll be the end of the videos. So yeah, I'm gonna take it easy today. I will get a little bit lower. Let me have a look up and see all the cranes on site. The roof trusses are going up very soon, apparently, as well, so I reckon they might go tomorrow, or they might attempt some sort of lift. If not tomorrow, it's definitely this week. Yeah, so that piece there marries up with over there, so I'm assuming you're right when you tell me that it's part of the roof truss. So I will do a scan along at height. Oh, you know what? I'm going to get low and do my normal scan. I'm above the dock. I'll stay above the water. Go down and have a good look. There we go, so I'm not getting too low. So nice and slow along. See, there's loads of work going on the bottom level there as well, so barely visible through there now, where we could see right through, couldn't we? But not as much now, so I'm gonna a bit further along. I'm flying with caution today, guys. I don't want to get myself into bother with the winds or any surrounding buildings. Okay, so I'll get to the corner. Have a little scout along there, just so you can have a really good look at what's going on, that's all. Just looking around me, make sure I'm avoiding everything, I'm keeping my distance. Yeah, so that's a complete 360 of the ground. Don't see the stands go right up to the corners now, the corner heights. Well, the way it's going, you'd think it'd be ready for next season, wouldn't you? You think it's going to be another year after that? Let's have a good look around. So I'm gonna get up to height again, above the cranes. We'll have a little look over the fan plaza, and then we'll have a little look around the city, and then I'll end it there. I am above the cranes. Try and bring the exposure up a touch. Won't go, it's going darker. There we go, brought the exposure up a bit so we can have a better look at the fan plaza. Does anyone know what exactly is going to be in the fan plaza? You can let me know, that'd be handy. It looks like they're building some sort of like road through it. Obviously it's going to need it for the coaches to get in and stuff, and that far side is going to be some sort of car park, isn't it? Oh yeah, so that makes sense to have a road in there. Okay, I'm answering my own questions, aren't I? There's the hydraulic tower, lots of work going on there as well, according to everything. Can I get the exposure up anymore on that? No, that's the ISO going exposure. It's looking good. coming along really well. Right, so let's have a pan around the city. Again, for people that need to orientate themselves with where the ground is to where everything else is in the city. Liverpool does look great lit up at night. So there's the city centre glowing. There we go. We're back at the grounds. So one last look at the grounds and I'll end it there. So yeah, I say just I'll be down here a lot during this month because I want to get these videos done, a video every day. So it's going to be 30 days, 30 videos this month, sorry. 30 videos in 30 days, and it's all for a good cause. It's all to help us with grassroots football teams. As I say, don't know which ones yet, but any that are struggling, I'll find out, so I'll buy some kits for them, hopefully, with the money made. Okay, right, I'll leave it there, guys, and thank you for watching my videos. Again, if you like them, please subscribe, well, consider subscribing anyway, and I shall speak to you in the next one, which will be soon. Okay, bye now.